In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.
There are 4 different options to do this. Let's start with one by one. First, open your Google Chrome browser and click on this 3 dot icon. Now tap on Settings and click on Performance. Once you come to the Performance tab, then you need to disable Memory Saver. This will help you to reduce memory usage. On the next step, click on Extension and then Manage Extension. But if you didn't find it, then click on the set icon and hover a mouse on Extension and click on Manage Extension. On this page, if you have lots of unused Google Chrome extension, then it remove it. Now on the next step, again click on this third icon and tap on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security and then Delete Browsing Data. Now choose All Time and click on Delete. And if you open a lots of Chrome window, then you close this. By following all of this simple method, you can easily reduce memory usage on Google Chrome.